replaced by strange, curious, intense. Soon came another family, and another chance, another opportunity to expand, to modify, to adjust aspects of that act. Eli tested his theater on the families as if they were an audience, and used their feedback, the immediate, constant feedback, to tweak his performance. Slowly, strange, curious, intense had been refined, honed into charming, focused, clever. Then something else changed. Another car pulled up and took him away. But this time it didn't drop him off with another of his father's flock. This time, it took him to family. The fifth home. Patrick Cardale did not believe in God. He was John's estranged nephew, the son of a dead aunt that Eli had never